right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad mass problem. Okay, we are given that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then we are required to find this. Now solution, and the first thing you do is let us square both sides from the given one. They gave us a plus b plus c. Okay, that is equal to 0. If we square both sides, we're going to have this one is squared and this one is squared. Now the square of this one, I'll just take the shortcut of it. Now let me make it into a plus b, okay, then plus c like this. Then all squared is equal to 0 squared. Okay, I did not change anything. So now when you want to square two things like this, you're going to say the first one, that is a plus b all squared, then plus c squared, then plus 2c into a plus b. Okay, so that is how to square that. You square the first one, square the second one, then I say the first one times the second one, you double it. So it's equal to this squared is giving me 0. Now to open this one again, you square the first one, you square the last one, then you now multiply the first one and the second one, double it like I did before. Then plus c squared, then let's clear the bracket. This time this will give you 2ac plus 2ab. Okay, is equal to 0. Now let me arrange it very well to have a squared plus b squared plus c squared, then plus 2a plus 2ab plus 2a. There's a mistake here. 2c times this will give you 2ac. 2c times it will give you 2cb. Sorry, 2cb. So plus 2cb, then plus 2ac is equal to 0. Okay, now if you look at this, they have 2 in common. So since they have 2 in common, I can have a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 into ab plus cb plus ac. Okay, is equal to 0. Now let me continue from here. I have that this is a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Now plus 2 into, now this will have something in common. They have b in common. So if I bring out the b they have in common, I'm left with a plus c. So a plus c. Okay, then I'm going to have plus ac, then is equal to 0. Now having this, let us see. AC should mean something. AC. From here, I know that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So a plus c is equal to minus b, right? So let me put it here. So anywhere I see a plus b, I can put minus b. So I'm having a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 into b in bracket, or instead of writing a plus b, I'll write as minus b and close. Then plus ac I have here is equal to 0. The reason I'm leaving this AC is because I'm having AC here. So I have that this is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 into, this time this will give you minus b squared plus ac. Okay, is equal to what? 0. Now what do we have now? We're going to have that now let me rearrange this one. Let me multiply these people by minus. Okay, so I'm going to have that a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to, sorry, if I multiply by minus, I'm going to have minus 2 into, then ac, then minus b squared. Okay, sorry, b squared minus ac. Yeah, b squared minus ac. So that minus times this will still give you minus this, minus times minus will still give you this plus. I just want to arrange it to look like this. Okay, is equal to what? 0. Now if I collect like terms, I'm going to have that if I take this one to this side, I'm going to have that a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 2 into b squared minus ac. Okay, so if I divide both sides by b squared minus ac, I'm going to have that a squared plus b squared plus c squared all over what? B squared minus ac is equal to 2. So that is the answer. The solution is simply 2, because this one can come here as divide. So I'm having this. So this is what they say we should find, and the answer is 2. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.